Hello everybody, I hope you're very well and welcome to this Here to Help video on energy transformations. So one thing to remember here is energy transformations is usually studied in physics. So what is an energy transformation? It's when one form of energy is converted into another form of energy. For example, you will have one form of energy going into the system, which could be a kettle, a coal fire, a drill, a radio, whatever that system is, a car, it could be any system really, and it got a different form of energy coming out. So whatever form of energy is going in is different to what's coming out. So what I've got here is I have an example. So what we've got is we have electrical energy going into the kettle, which is the system here, and heat energy coming out. So why is electrical energy going in? Because you plug a kettle in and then you turn that switch on, meaning electrical energy is going into the kettle, and then heat energy comes out of the kettle, which is a different form of energy to electrical energy, which means it's an energy, the energy has converted, it's an energy transformation. So why do we know it's heat that comes out of the kettle? Because often you put cold water from the tap into the kettle and then boil it to get rid of any harmful bacteria as well as to heat it up. So that means that water is being heated up, so heat energy must be coming out of the kettle. Sometimes when you get a kettle, well, more than often, a kettle will have steam coming out of it. That is all heat. So that is why the heat energy comes out, because the water that you put in the kettle becomes hot at the end, so it has to heat up in order to make that water hot. Sometimes we multiple energy changes in a device or in a system before the final output energy is released. So it might not just be electrical, kettle, heat. It might be something, then a system, and then another kind of energy, and then a system, and then the final output. So an example of that is this one here. So what we've got is we have chemical energy going into a battery, the electrical energy going out the battery and into the lamp, and then light energy coming out the lamp. So let's talk through this a wee bit more. So the one thing to remember here is a battery in physics is also known as a cell. Sometimes we refer to batteries in physics as cells, so that's a key thing to remember. If I ask you what is a cell in physics, it's a battery. However, that's different to biological cells. So biological cells could be sperm cells, red blood cells, hair cells. That's different to biological cells. So batteries or cells store chemical energy. So that means chemical energy is going in to the battery. And then out of that battery there comes electrical energy. And that's one of the reasons batteries can power things. So that electrical energy comes out of the battery and goes into the lamp. And the lamp results in light energy coming out. So how do we know it's light energy? Because a lamp lights up the room. So that would be the same process with a light bulb if it was battery powered. So if I turn this light off here, that means that it's gone darker. So I know light comes out of a lamp or lights, because when I turn it on, the room lights up. That's an example of that. So, thank you very much for watching this video, and see you next time on Here to Help. Bye for now.